All test types follow the same process for the EVT100 and CertSuiteAsset setup. To begin, enable Bluetooth in your EVT100X settings. Then open CertSuiteAsset on your device and connect to the instrument. Press the lock button to display lead connection information for that test. Insert the test leads into the top of the EVT. Add the asset details to CertSuite. Start by giving the asset a unique asset ID. This is a compulsory field. The other fields are optional, but we advise that you fill in as many as possible. Now add a test by pressing the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Then manually fill out the test fields. When all the necessary details have been entered, press Create to finish. CertSuite will now add the test details to the asset. If you're testing an existing asset with CertSuite, a barcode or QR code reader has been added, allowing you to scan the code and download the existing details, or create a printable code to add to the asset for next time. Now, conduct your test as normal. With CertSuite, you can live stream and monitor results as data comes in by pressing the Save button for 3 seconds before you begin the test. Or you can send the test results to CertSuite by pressing the Save button at the end of the test. You can now export the test result as a printable PDF that contains all of the test details. If you need to update a result, you can resend it or export several entries to maintain a complete traceable record in CertSuiteAsset. CertSuite is becoming more relevant and improving all the time. Visit the videos in the CertSuite app to see guides to the latest updates. For further details or application notes for any Megger product, visit Megger's website, www.megger.com.